the Sparkle Motion Mini. It is an ESP32 WLED-friendly NeoPixel LED driver board. One of the top features, I think, of this one is built-in I2S microphone for sound reactive projects. And what you'll see here is I've got my Sparkle Motion Mini right there. I'm going to press the user button, which turns it on. Yes, that's right, running some audio reactive software. The microphone is just kind of hanging out down there. That's where the Sparkle Motion is, connected to some strips of NeoPixels. And you can see it's doing audio reactive coolness. There is my product pick of the week this week. It's the Sparkle Motion Mini.